Hello, my name is Amy Safaoui. I'm a CNI at MSU Extension. Today we're making Ouzi. Ouzi is a blend of rice, peas, and meat, ground meat. I cleaned and sanitized my area and I washed my hands for 20 seconds with soapy water. We're gonna start with the ingredients. First, we need 1.5 cup of rice. Today, I'm gonna use basmati rice, but you can use whatever you want. We need 1 pound ground meat, 1 cup peas. I'm gonna use the frozen peas. We need 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of 7 spices, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 3 cups of hot water. Next, add the oil to the pot. Turn the stove on medium heat and add the meat. Cook until brown. Today, I used beef. You may use ground turkey or lamb or if desired. So next, rinse the frozen peas and set aside. Canned or fresh peas can be used. Once brown, add the cinnamon, then add the peas and stir for 2 minutes. Right now we drain the water. We're gonna add the 7 spices and the salt to the rice and stir. Give it a good stir. Mix it very well. Add the rice to the pot. This is a very important step to fold the rice and the meat and the peas together. We have to go with this step for 2 minutes. Add the 3 cups of hot water to the pot. Give it a good stir. Let it come to a boil for a minute. Lower the heat and cover the pot and let it simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. Right now we're gonna make a yogurt drink. We need 2 cups of yogurt, plain yogurt, and 2 cups of cold water and half tablespoon of salt. We put it in the blender for 30 seconds. Go green.
Go white.
Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content. We would love to hear your feedback through the survey link in the show notes.